practicing like 6 weeks. Then we had reconstruct. I had reconstructive surgery on my jaw.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel once again. Today we are working on the S2000, but yes, today we are going to do the name reveal for the car, and we are also gonna do some light repair on the body prior to do the paint work, and then the car will be ready for paint. Also, we are going to show you some new parts for the car, so stay tuned for that. So we just arrived at my friend's shop. He's going to take care of the S2000 right there. So take a look.
Des waves va être atténuée lorsque ça va être sablé, mais le but c'est d'éviter qu'il y ait de la poterie sur le champ. Il y avait plusieurs dommages ici. On a tout fait du débossage en peinture pour vraiment éviter qu'il y ait du mastic sur la voiture. On a fait le tour complet, donc maintenant c'est prêt pour la peinture.
The next day. So yesterday we went to do some light body work. We repaired a dent on the car, and today we're going to try some new parts.
Stop. Parfait.
So first off, we're going to try the hood on the car, and then we're going to try the exhaust. We're going to install the tailpipe hood now.
So we finished the test fitting on some of the panels on the car. I told you at the beginning of the video we were supposed to test fit the exhaust, but we had some issues with gaskets and we didn't want to break any bolts since we are Friday night, and to get some new bolts will be quite hard. So at least we test fitted the veil side hood, the over fenders, and the wheels. And now Mark is currently doing some audio install in the car. Also, we told you at the beginning of the video we were going to tell you the name of the project. So what's the project name?
S2000.
Yeah, so you just heard it. The project name is S2000. It's quite simple and it represents the car. So Too Soon Junior, S2000, S2000. You know, so anyway guys, if you like that video, somebody just broke his engine right there. He just literally blew his engine. He's pissed. So guys, this was video number 2 on the S2000 project. I hope you like it. Guys, please, to support the channel, please subscribe, drop a comment, and leave a thumbs up. And by the way, at 20,000 subscribers, I'm going to start another project, and you probably already know what car it is, but don't forget to subscribe. And 20,000 subscribers, new car, new replica, that's what you want, I'm pretty sure. See you soon. Bye.